Okay, we're back in action. Here's the snow on the inside. This is just, I guess, gel coat powder from sanding with the beautiful palm sander over there, made by Mastercraft. That's nice and light. For the record, if I sound strange, I can't hear myself talk. I've got these wonderful plugs jammed pretty far into my ears. So, what got done? Rod Bryden has got all the areas cut out. That's the front section of the cockpit. Another spot over here. Two sections here to port. Nice big one over here to starboard. Whoop, don't want to be stepping there. And then you got all this beautiful white stuff. So this nice white hatch cover is, yeah, a little snowy. That looks pretty lame. We'll do a better one. Do a little wee Beastie. Beastie. And as we move up the port side, there's a mess. Mastercraft wonderful palm sander. A whole bunch of maximum 40 grit 5-inch discs. I don't know how many we've gone through, but the answer is somewhere between a whole bunch and a lot. Here's the area around the port chain plate. Nice and dug out. It's at 1/2 to 3/4 inch of coring to be put in. Same for the other side. This was the shop vac. I'm pretty sure it still works. We're going to find out momentarily. There you go, another bunch of previously enjoyed sanding discs. Starboard side area looking a little white here. There we are looking back there. Yes, it's quite the little snowy landscape. Whee! And last but not least, that's the bow section getting done. So this video is mostly for Sean, since you're not here enjoying this wonderful project called sanding. So how far did we get today? Bow section, so the starboard side only, down the bow towards the hatch, to the starboard side of the hatch, all the way down the starboard side, and then worked just behind the hatch, as far over as the area being worked on. Same over here, and then up the port side to the chain plates where my knees and my arms were just done. That's done with a capital D for done. Speaking of done, I'm done. I'm going home to get a shower. I'll be back down here tomorrow being Sunday, and we'll finish off the bow section and maybe do some other stuff. Bye-bye.